Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and here enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom we've got the serial number of this device, so just tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Scroll down again and go to Status Info. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.